If you're building your first website, there's a good chance you've already opened 5 different hosting tabs, and now everything is starting to look exactly the same. To make things easier, if you're already looking for a hosting or coupon code, click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, because it activates an extra 20% discount through my link, plus 3 extra months automatically. Now this part matters because not every deal works the same way. Many links online usually unlock only around a 10% extra discount, while my link gives a full 20% together with the extra months, making it one of the strongest Hostinger offers available. And if the price on the page looks different from what you expected, just press the flag icon at the top, choose your country, and the local pricing updates immediately. Moving into the Hostinger review side of things, one of the biggest reasons people like it is because it removes a lot of the setup stress. The Hostinger website builder helps you create a website without complicated steps, and the Hostinger AI website builder can even help generate layouts and ideas automatically. You also get free SSL, daily backups, and a free domain. You're also getting light speed technology for faster loading. That's one reason many people place Hostinger among the best web hosting choices for beginners and growing websites. Hostinger also gives access to tools like Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger OpenClaw, and Hostinger N8N. If you want to see the current pricing and available options, you can check the link below. Plus, every plan includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test everything without risk. And if you want the extra 20% discount together with the 3 additional months, click the link in the description or scan the QR code now and activate the deal.